Updating your primary email on Gmail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email address is current and secure. Step 1. Sign into your Gmail account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or the initial in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account to open your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Personal Information. In the Google account settings, find the Personal Info tab on the left side. Click on it to view your personal information, including your email addresses. Step 4. Update your email address. Under the Contact Info section, locate your email address. Click on it, then select the option to edit. Enter your new primary email address and follow any prompts to verify the change. Step 5. Confirm the change. After updating your email, check your new email inbox for a confirmation message from Google. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm your new primary email address. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email on Gmail will be updated. Make sure to check your settings periodically to keep your information current.